Well, Justin, we are getting to the end of the show.
It's been
I
a
want to
pleasure.
thank you so much for being on the show. And can you share how they can find you and find your books?
Well, if you forget all the social media handles I'm about to unleash, you can just type in Google Justin with an E N Arnold. A lot of stuff will show up there. I've done it plenty of times, and I always show up some of the top ones. I don't pay for it, but it's just there's not very many Justins with an E N, so I was blessed with that. JUSTEN. But that's also one of my websites, justinarnold.com. I also have flexmp.com, which is my fitness website. That's FLEXXMP.com. Some free stuff there as well on both websites. You can get like journal, like workout stuff. My YouTube channel, Flex Mobility and Performance is my fitness, and then my Instagram handles are at FlexMP with the two X's, and then at Justin Arnold. You'll find those on pretty much everything. I'm pretty much on everything. I'm mainly on Instagram, which feeds through Facebook, but like I have some things on TikTok, like my podcast clips I put on there. You might see me on Twitter occasionally, but yeah, my main thing is Instagram because I love pictures and videos and sharing what's going on in my world.
Great, thank you. And we'll have your links in the notes for the show as well.
Awesome.
And if anybody would like to reach out to me, please visit my website at debbiegailcoaching.com. I would absolutely love to hear from you. And I want to thank you so much for joining us this evening. I really appreciate you taking the time to watch, and I look forward to seeing you next week.
Appreciate it. Thank you so much.
This has been Finding Peace Beyond Pain with your host, Debbie Gale Zane. Whether you have a child with mental illness or addiction or have lost a child, it is Debbie's deepest desire to give you hope for peace and healing and the inspiration to go on. Tune in Fridays, 7 p.m. Eastern on the Bold Brave TV network.